of losing all company. What are you doing with a character like Sokoro?
You sound as if you believe that tomboy. She made it up.
Really? But she said she caught both of you together.
She made us together. But we weren't doing anything. She hates Sokoro. And she has been looking for a reason to punish him.
If this matter gets to the king, what will you say?
Who will take this useless case to the king? Or are you the one?
If I were you, I would stay away from Sokoro. He might put you in trouble one of these days.
What kind of a life is this? No son to take over after me. What then is the essence of my being a king? Yes, Bridget. What is it? You? Modesta from Warri? Let her in. Modesta! Is this you?
Yes, it is me, Modesta. Still the same Modesta.
How come? I mean...
At least, ask me to sit down.
I'm sorry about that, Modesta. Please sit. I was just too excited. So, where have you been and how did you find me? I wasn't expecting.
When you decide to find anyone, especially when the fellow is a king, it is very easy to find the person.
Modesta, don't flatter me, please. Well, it's so nice to see you, and I wasn't really expecting to see you.
Neither do I. I was never thinking of tracing a heartless man like you again, if not for one thing that brought me to this place.
Modesta, don't tell me you came all the way from Warri to my office just to insult me.
Do you still remember the reason you abandoned me in Warri back then?
I did not abandon you, Modesta. You tried to hook me up with a pregnancy I did not know the basis.
That pregnancy was yours. That child is the reason I am here. Eze Onyanosi, trust me. If not for the child that desire to know his background, to know who his father is, you wouldn't have seen me anywhere around you.
Does it mean I have a child with her? Does it mean that pregnancy was not a fluke to extract money from me as I thought?
I don't know what you're thinking about. Whatever you like, you can think about. But all I want to tell you is that pregnancy, I kept it. And the child has grown to be an adult and desires to know who his father is. That is why I am here, and I feel it is right to show him who his father is.
I'm actually excited about this. Where is the child, Modesta? Male or female?
Excuse me. He kept insisting he wants to meet with his father. I refused. But when I found out he was serious, I then gathered you eventually became the king of your place. Then he kept on insisting and troubling me that I must bring him to meet with you. I refused. Do you know why I refused? Because you are heartless. You are a wicked man. That is why I refused. Well, I can see I don't have a choice but to bring him to see you. His name is Zlatan. Zlatan, meet your father, Ezonyanos.
Zlatan. That's a nice name you have, my son.
So now you be my pale, eh? Now you be the pale. Now you be the pale when knock my male, knock and left, right, center. Knock and finish, carry the white blood ready for your body, pour inside my male. My male can't chop me like that. So now you be the pale. Pale say, you be a soul work. You get shares, you get mine. Pale now people like you and I they boy rock and they drink am, so your shares go block. You don't understand? You wicked pale. You abandon me just like that too. Leave me for streets. Make her the worker for Amagono just like that. Eh? You know where I tell my polo day? Me walk out for that side, walk out for that street, they wash my leg. My leg not even shoot again. You understand? Pale, you get that too.
So, that is it. He will be living in the palace with us henceforth. I want all of you to see him as your brother, for that is who he is. And as for you, Namaka, I want you to take him as your son. Because he is. I am very glad because I have finally gotten a son. A son who will take over from me.
That's right.
Modesta, I thank you. I want to thank you very much because you are a savior.
You don't need to worry yourself.
Thank you very much.
And as I promised, I will reward you handsomely. You will never suffer any lack onwards. The last but not the least, to my beautiful, eloquent princesses and daughters. I have decided to resume the payment of your monthly allowances. In fact, I am thinking of making it double. I'm very glad with what is happening now. I see it as a miracle. And I hope and believe that this miracle will heal old wounds.
It is.
I expect everybody to know. Welcome, Zlatan.
Mama, thank you very much. You know, I don't get my sister. My sister, Ma. Madam. Come. Thank you. God bless you. Bless you.
I'll phone my mom, see for grand.
Sorry.
Oh my goodness. Can you behave yourself now?
Well, it's not in the joy of hearing.
I don't understand. I mean, this matter, this, you not settle for my head. How can that boy be our brother? No, that guy cannot be our brother. You want to report him also, lie.
Mother, I don't get this. How is that guy our brother? Did you see the way he was looking at us? He is a complete stout and Agbodo. Can't be my brother, please.
My question is, are we sure that he is really our brother?
Of course he is.
Come to think of it, mother, he could have planned this whole thing with that woman.
Exactly. He is.
You think so?
Of course, yes. For your father told me about her some time ago. He is his son, your brother.
Lie. Me not feel relate to that guy as my brother. We not feel share this territory with that thing. This place never fair enter us. We walk up, must not they talk that this thing na arrange. We not fair get space, so we not feel share am.
Shut up, what is the matter with you?
They arrange this kind of matters now, you don't know. They arrange am. You want be priest, you want come shop where you know so. You know fix.
Shut up. What do you mean by that? Do you want to go against your father's orders? Listen to me, Tamara. You have to be very careful. Don't provoke the king. Now that he has a son that is so much desired. See, all of you should be happy that peace is going to reign in the palace now. As for that woman, she'll be leaving today. Back to worry. So there's no need to be mad. But mother, I don't want to listen to whatever it is you want to say. As for you, Chika, your father has accepted to restore your monthly allocation. None of you should just make a case out of this, Biko. Period.
Your Majesty, you look very happy. What is the good news? Oh no, Ajeme. What do you want? You want me to be sad? Not at all.
But you will agree with me that this is quite unusual of you. In fact, since you became king, to be honest with you, this is the very first time I'm seeing you happy like this.
What is the secret? What happened? Oh no, dead bulls shall rise again. Really? You are not putting the Bible for me. What exactly is going on? You will not understand. But very soon you will understand. Zlatan! Zlatan!
Father, why they far when they hear your ringing? I only hear your ringing as you get done. That's my show, I don't show.
Yeah, sit.
It's a marker.
Sit.
Marker. Paul. Alafa.
I told you not to be calling me that Pale. Or Pale. Just be calling me dad or father. Or whichever one is convenient for you. But not Pale.
Sure.
Oh no. Meet my son, Zlatan.
Your son?
Yes, his mother brought him some days ago. Actually, his mother is someone I dated many years ago when I was still in Warri.
No. My man, I don't like the way you shook. You like the way you shook. That man, he shook and scatter.
Recently, she brought him back. You will not understand. It's a very long story, but you will get to know later. Zlatan. So
She brought why the formula.
That's my son, the future king of Ifitani Kingdom.
Why they bomb me like sardine when no done? No grab, you got to bomb me like no done. Why they bomb me like that?
But who be this mango, sir?
Mango? Mango.
No, put that in some respect. This is, he's the prime minister of this kingdom.
So this beads with this guy man rock, eh? So all this bead with mango rock, eh? You get dot. You see this bead, eh? Original. If you cargo na pure cargo na in the hand like that, if you cut the hand into two, nothing that happen.
This is, he's the prime minister of this kingdom. You need to show him maximum respect.
No, Papa. See, I know they for that kind of play. Now me be maximum himself. You know understand? Anytime I they show them the clear road, why are they cut? Na me Z. You understand? That's how I been. I just like that. Nothing they shake, nothing they pound. You see this guy? Go lawyer.
You know what I'm saying is that he's the second in command.
Loyalty na today bread though.
Zlatan is Jono who is the second in command.
That's the original beast there in the rock now.
So, oh no, we don't have that. This
Let
me go and call the guy. So, me, I don't know, so that we can have a meeting.
Yes. No shaking, no shit. I'll call the person who say man come. No shaking.
Bro, sure.
Call the guy so that he can bring me.
I don't shake, I'll call her and I'll go holla. Oh, the pure, everywhere with the flare, I said with the pure,
So that land that we were talking, is it
Something mightier than lands. You know something? Your son?
You ask for the reason for the happiness. Children of nowadays, sometimes you don't,
See my man.
Was he like?
Over level.
As I said, I don't tell now. I don't tell say be me I know my full self. I know my full self. I know self. I go be something. Now no be me be this. No be me be this. See the maximum. Now I don't control prince for this kingdom. You understand? I tell us so you go baby. See, if I dey work out for this area, if I dey work out for the ama, that's so good. This look me. The good look me. The shy. See, you see for this area, for this ama, as I dey work out, that's so they look me like nail television. They look me as I be nail television. Everybody they watch. You know say if you go for that nail television, you go to see things. You saw this Nigerian movie the way they watch, you go to see inside there. That's so it be me. If I don't kind of just see me, they say I be this Nollywood. That nail television where they talk and then they go to watch. They're gonna watch me. I go to show you. The area that's why everybody could just give me my way. They give me my way. That's my area now. You know, that's they go sing this song. Now my area be this so. This is Amana, that's how I don't compete.
Fresh. I did fresh.
See on the necklace.
No be necklace now, bead.
They don't call her necklace.
They call her
necklace.
necklace.
They call her bead.
Your bead.
Meanwhile, you know some my pale, my pale don't old, I don't go soon kick buckets. You sir. You make my pale kick buckets now, na me na zie the maximum now, na me na go be the king of this kingdom. That time you see all these people they stand for my pale, old people, all of them. I go knock that, I go discharge them now. That's why I go call first euro for with it. Don't show. Go show. That's where I go show. Don't worry, go show. Don't say you be like Yankee now fast. Hold up.
The levels.
The girl man go when they come from my palace side there for the left there. They call him no. I no one know. Go follow. No go follow. You see that palace? That palace, that man go. We go get to discharge. You know what I'm saying? But no, we're not going to follow. You know what to go down? We'll call First Row will come with our gangs there, all those days there. When they're sure, we'll go get that man there, come put that for one room. You understand? Come give the six shika them, maybe they go knock. They go knock.
See, you must
we feel record down. We go record our system for that television. We go fit for that place. We go not even make the money now. All I want to raise my kingdom. You know what I'm saying? Maximum, see the maximum. But when I go put on something, you know say, as per the long kick bucket, now me now come be the king, yeah. Then as I come, when I come put that, King Z the maximum.
King Z the maximum.
That's fucking that time. And there's zero yard for your body. I don't bring you that fucking that time. And there's zero yard for your body.
Well, babe, like I told you, I'm expecting the goods by weekend.
Oh, sweetheart, I'm so happy for you.
God has indeed been faithful.
Of course, God is indeed great. I'm happy for you.
Thanks, darling.
Now guess what?
What?
I want you to guess. You know you're my gossip mate.
Wait. Gossip mate indeed. You know you turned me into that.
I agree. Now guess.
Look, I can't even.
Yes. Okay. We now have a brother.
Now I have a brother. How?
Well, a woman brought a young man, and my father has accepted him as his son.
By way of adoption or what?
No adoption. Well, my father said he had an affair with the said woman many years ago. And as I speak to you this moment, the guy is already living with us in the palace as the prince.
I still don't get it.
I know it sounds confusing, but that is the latest news. The worst part of it is that the guy is a junkie. He was smoking with his scout friends before I came here.
Sincerely, I don't know what to say.
Well, I understand. You don't have to say anything. Well, somehow I'm happy. Yes, I'm happy because it has changed my father.
Oh.
He's now happy and cheerful, and he has promised to start paying our suspended monthly allocation.
No, really?
Yes, really. Nice way, I'm happy.
Tell me, this your brother,
Chiamaka, I'm happy that you answered my call. Answered my call. Please accept my condolences on the early exit of your brother. Take this.
I'm sorry, Your Majesty, but what is the money for?
This is just for you and your mother to do whatever you want to do, especially this time when expenses are high. As for the money I was owing your father, I will personally bring it to your house in the next 2 days. In the meantime, manage this little one.
I'm sorry, Your Majesty, but we don't need the money again. Not even the one you're offering me now. We are fine. Thank you.
Are you sure? So, what do you need then?
Nothing, Your Majesty. Now that I know why you called me, I think I will leave now.
Really?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Whatever man shows you go reach someday. That's why no peace in the Shanga, in the Shanga. You see no peace for the wicked. I say no place to hide.
But I told you never to go.
Mama only obeyed our king.
He is not a king. He is a murderer. So finally he has agreed that he is owing your father money. After he has killed my only son. After killing Ejike. Hi! It will never be well with you. It will never be well with you. Ah! Ejike. Ah!
You are the one that employed us, and we are answerable to you.
Tell us exactly what you want, and we will do it.
Yeah, tough, man. My cabin, my kubiki, my room, Team 31 can not even understand the shit. You understand me now? So I don't want to go tidy him because they can't sleep. I won't sleep for me, eh? No let me nice, Abby. You understand? So man, go.
Will you come back here? What is wrong with you? Can't you see I'm with them?
This is the way they talk. I've been a statement. I've been waiting. Eh? For this town, for this hammer. Come on.
Will you stand here? Listen to me, you young man. That we accepted you here does not give you the right to do whatever you like. Nonsense. Can't you see I'm with them? I have something to do with them. When I'm done with them, if you want them to do anything for you, you take them. But right now, they are with me.
I talk them. I know say this kind of thing go sup. You don't understand? I don't say it go sup and I type and say thing go sup. You understand? I think on the sup now. You say it doesn't do that. Maybe they just go tidy my room and I go crash and I they get all these plenty things.
Shut up and get out!
Stop working for free, but I don't understand.
Nonsense. Speaking rubbish language.
No, we have this language for Paul. That's all. That's why they don't go talk. We don't talk. I don't do. I don't understand.
My one tout, one useless, fine boy, no manners.
We are sorry, Your Majesty.
It's all right. As I was saying before, I was rudely interrupted by that tout.
How dare he, mother? How dare he? What the hell does he think he is? Who is he say he be? Who be mama? Who born am?
In fact, why?
Momsy, leave me! Please, leave me, man! Leave that guy fuck up!
No, now. Please, don't confront him, please. I beg you.
Why should I not confront him? Why should I? Tell me, give me a reason.
See, it has not come to that yet.
Okay. We should wait until it gets to that. Momsy, leave me!
Tamara, listen to your mother. Please, calm down. Come. See. Let's not start all this now. You see, it's obvious he's an illiterate. You don't need to join issues with such a character. Please.
Momsy, make him not lose guard though. He go query.
I know now. I sabi you, but he knows sabi you now. Baby.
You're looking so beautiful. You're looking very beautiful. Princess Chica. What are you doing? Calm down. Just calm down. Okay?
No! No, wait! No, wait! No, stop! Stop it! Stop!
David, look, I am sorry.
What's wrong with you?
David,
What the hell is wrong with you, Ebuka?
I am sorry. I don't know what came over me. I'm sorry, David. I'm sorry.
You're sorry. No, Ebuka. You are not sorry. Ebuka, you are sick in the head. You just messed up. And you went ahead to do something that is far worse. Ebuka, you have killed us. That is what you've done. You have killed us.
I didn't know. I didn't know what came over me, okay? I didn't want to. I never wanted to.
Shut the hell up! Shut up!
David, look, I didn't mean to. I never intended to. I am sorry.
I said, shut up. Shut up!
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't know what came over me.
Who is the young man? Who is he? I need to get him arrested. Immediately.
This is all my fault. My goodness, this is all my fault.
I don't understand though. This matter never still pure for my head. Person forcefully shine my sister Congo. Now still sit down here. We supposed to don't dare road, no go track the idiot. Now what do they here they do? I don't understand. What's up now? What be the nigga? Why we still sit down here? No track the idiot, no go track him. Why we still there here?
When they stop? So all of that kind of what happen? I want to hide the red like red label. What happened?
Serious matter, dey. Me quiet your mouth. Close your teeth.
I think Pale don't kick bucket.
Now you kick bucket. What are you talk rubbish?
All of them don't kick quiet like this. And a rubber bucket that man will kick.
What is going on here? What is wrong? Why are you crying? I just asked the question. What is wrong?
Chica was raped.
What?
Pale, use wisdom. Use wisdom. Pale, use wisdom. This wisdom. Use up. Pale, use up. Pale, use wisdom.
Will you shut up your mouth, you stupid useless boy?
Malena, wisdom. I'm not go smoke. So all of them just they cry in here. Now don't they cry, they find river, they cry in here. Now mate them for we fair for warrior. If you go for streets, you go see this people there. They smoke exhaust pipe. The hot one we don't red, Volkswagen own. Now there they get they misbehave. All this thing whether I climb or no climb, you no go worry, but don't shock. One calm down, tell me. Dozo, what happen? Now for bed, on inside motor, now the guy knock am.
I wanted to say something. The young man that defied your daughter
go unpunished. Say something, Your Majesty. Your silence is killing me. Please. Your Majesty, I'm begging you, please say something. I'm dying here.
What a man will do is buried deep in his heart.
You see no peace for the wicked. I say no place to hide. Cause anything you do for yourself. Anything you plant, you go reap for yourself. That's all it is. That's all it be. That's all it be. That's all it is. That's all. Anything you do, you go reap someday. Whatever you do, you will reap someday. Anything you plant, you go reap someday. I'm the one you try, you gonna go run away. You gonna go run away. You don't be run away. I say you know me run away. You know me run away.
You know what this means when you return immediately. The mission is accomplished. I am that king that all mortals will continue to fear. Challenge me and you'll meet your ancestors.
No peace for the wicked. No place for the wicked. No peace, no peace, no peace.
He raped my sister. That animal raped my sister!
Please, babe, calm down.
Don't ask me to calm down. I'm telling you that your animal of a friend raped my sister, and all you can say is to calm down. Calm down! Calm down! That is all you can say!
Ebuka is dead.
What?
Yes.
How?
His corpse was found in the city road this morning.
Pale, see, Pale, see, me I see what you do yesterday. Pale, me no say you are bad guys, so. I don't say the bad guys like this.
What are you talking about?
Pale, I see what you do last night. I be the peep, I see what you do. Pale, I see when you go put that your small league bay. You understand? When you put that small league bay, that boss, you can't put that for ground, you position her. As you position her, Pale, you do, Pale. Next thing you send message. You understand? You send message, the message just go. You stay. The message just show back with infrared. You understand? As the message just come, the next thing you can confirm the message. But now you look, Pale, you just put your 32, you smile. You happy, well. You see, Pale, me that time, me at this somewhere, I be the view, I just peep you. I just put that one fuck, I bought the peep. The peep, I see the boss, everything.
I don't understand you. What are you talking about?
Pale, say me no say, I know say this it will shock you. You understand? For Pale say you, you see as you like that, as you fool like this with your wisdom, you know my Pale. You understand? And this way you do that, I should say, true, you my Pale. You understand? Because you see that white blood, you understand? Where they inside you, Pale, you see that white blood, the way you carry you cannot point inside my Pale. Now you come bring me out. Now you should say me now, Pale, me now your real picking. See, Massimo, I be your real picking, Pale. But you see that one?
I don't even know what you said you saw. And what nonsense are you talking about?
Pale, forget Anya. Pale, you see me, I know say you, you see that way you do, I know say you get reason. You understand? Because you get wisdom, so you get reason.
Listen, my son. I have a reason for what I did. Okay?
But me, I understand. See, but they rewind me back. Like the same thing way we did yarn like this. You understand?
It's okay.
But see that here, no be that reason. No be that thing with the reason.
It's okay. It's okay, son. But no one should know about this.
See, you know, say, the man say me get basket mouth. You understand? But see me, me I know my full self. You understand? I know my full self. Say the basket man when me get now basket would then seal. If you put water there, you see that water, that water will stay inside, will stable. You understand? But no be that reason. No be that. See they tell you, say no be that thing. I can't be sure come here like this. But you don't shit, you don't carry that. Now my yarn the reason we carry me show, I mean. My pale. Pale says this whole place big like this, this company, this your company, you see as it did like this now, as it did so, Pale. You see, me the reason and since. As the reason as your son, as the fisher king of this place we did now, you understand, Pale? With the full wisdom when you get and you should tell me something me show. But like carry me show now, they don't show now. Pale, you supposed to understand, I supposed to get that from mine and say, as this office did like that, you supposed to give me one office. You understand? Make me the run that office. You say if I run the office, you see my male for weave, my male, I two Bobby, go to shake, go to happy inside the heart. The heart said go to rejoice. You understand?
Listen, my son, I understand you. But you have to be educated first. That's why I wanted you to go to school.
Leave this school. What this school won't teach me?
No, but you need it. You have to be educated.
I don't need that. What this school won't teach me? You know what me don't learn for streets? You know what Bundu don't teach me? You know what I don't learn from Okaki Kon here?
I understand that. You still need education to be able to run any part of this family. You need to be able to speak good English.
And what say me no sabi speak English? Me sabi speak. It's English, and they speak badly. You understand? I mean no. Me no say when you reach to speak, I mean they spoke badly. Like I know they use and you say a joke, no be joke. You understand?
But you need it, my son. Without education, you cannot run anything.
Papa, me don't reason and I say, for your own reasoning and your wisdom, you see this here, you don't already cross your mind. Say, you see me, say, you don't want me to run anything inside this company, you understand? But no shaking, me go. I'll cut out, you understand? I'll go ask, and they go ask. He said, when I reach house, me I go sit down, I go calculate for you when you show. And when you show for us, you see me as your son, see, and the Massimo, but I go greet you. You understand? I go hug you. Even for Bible, they kiss you, me go kiss your left, but don't worry. When you show us, me na son, na me be see. The maximum respect why they give you, let me for free. Let me for free, you can give me more office.
I humble myself before the great priest of Ikoba.
You are there in Ikoba himself. Yanusi.
But what am I supposed to do? Great Ikoba. It is not my fault.
I repeat, Yanusi, you are there in the great Ikoba. You are warned.
How exactly did it happen?
He said they found him dead in his living room.
That one fear person. That's strange, man.
Very strange.
Kind matters between.
Who could have killed him? Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine. Good afternoon, Princess.
Sorry, come.
Kachi, how are you? I'm fine, thank you.
Mother, I am really scared. Everybody is. Everybody is.
Babe, it seems you guys are mourning someone. Who died?
Nobody.
Nobody?
Yes, Kachi, nobody. Person not by for you.
I hope all is well.
All is well. Babe, what's up now? How far are you?
I'm good. It's just that I saw a guy smoking Indian hemp outside.
Is that the brother you told me about?
I did deal with that now. Fool.
Hey, do you know he was even asking me, like calling me when I was coming in?
Calling you?
I did tell you.
Based on which level now? I don't understand. As in how?
How I go take no now? Eh? What business do I have with someone that smokes in their hair, bans substances like that? Do you know, babes, I'm surprised you allowed him to be doing that kind of thing in this palace.
Kachabe, forget the Mara, forget that idiot. Won't talk with him, carry come, not be the fool. You go lose guard for here now, and he go query. Don't worry yourself, no dey bother. No be here, don't come. Bingo.
Baby, I'm here, waiting to happen.
I am telling you people that Princess Sheka was raped. And the same person who raped her is now dead.
I don't know what you're talking about, though. She the berry.
I am telling you what happened between yesterday and today.
I don't know what you're talking about, though. But please, don't involve me in issues like this.
That's your problem, Dr. Thomas.
My main concern is the prince.
What about him?
I don't feel comfortable with him around.
Forget about that junkie, please. My concern is...
Chidebere. Chidi.
I just thank God for that.
My dear Tessie, Hey!
I bow in greetings, my queen.
A pack of juice and glasses. Be fast.
Is it orange, apple, or mixed fruit?
Mixed fruits. Be fast about it.
Okay.
Okay.
Life of a queen. You will just sit down in one place and one obedient maiden is running all the errands. Hey! You were about saying something before she came.
Yes, I was saying something about the prince. I was so excited the day the mother brought him here. Hey! And I knew it. That the time is now. That will bring joy to my husband. I was right. He has become a happy man. The problem we have now is no longer my husband. Though.
What?
The young man himself. That man is wahala. You know, he drinks, he smokes, he indulges in all these negative characters associated with touting. That boy is troublesome. Wahala. Akpan sobu.
And what is the king saying about that?
Nothing more. He thinks that, he will change when he enrolls into his school.
Well, let's believe he will change.
He will.
You know he wasn't raised in this environment.
Yes.
And I believe with time he will adapt to his new environment and become civilized.
Yes!
When you take your money.
Who got that? What is wrong with you, young man? Have you lost it? What's all this noise? What's all this?
Pale, you see this thing when you commit now, eh? You see this crime when you commit, eh? Pale, if another person commit this crime, for all, why the person take? But Pale,
will you shut your mouth? I know I have always wanted a son, but not this kind of son that you have been portraying all this while. Be very careful. Be very careful.
Pale, see, make you know the young man be very careful. You hear me so? Me na your son. I be your son, you know understand?
Stop your hand, they mad. You know who they talk to, they crazy. What you say they talk to?
Blame to you.
Don't talk to my husband like that, please.
Malek, bye. Calm down. Pale.
Hey, see.
Imagine.
So that young you, me I be your son. You understand? And as your son, you understand? As your main son now. You understand me, Pale? Now me Z maximum. Now me be the future king of this what do you name of this kingdom again? Male, you know?
We ask. Come on, shut up.
Pale, what do you name of this kingdom? He said, Pale, now me.
Come on, let me rush.
Now me, so nothing if happen. But sister, I don't say, Male, say,
Come on for here, we the talk to be a Male. You dey mad? We don't see me smoke with for here before. Who give you right, the grace?
you mad this, me you calm down. Male, I hear the text of you, you understand me?
It's your mother that's smelling.
I know, manager. Male, don't manage her for now, I want to. You understand me? When you talk to Pale, let Pale say, me calm down. If you like say you do the Pale, need the reason.
Jesus Christ, Male,
you never steal all
that.
You can't. I go rush you.
Male, you never steal all the do Pale.
I go rush you. I go rush you.
I know what time. Let's go.
Tozo, fire. Tozo. You get what you don't understand from this Amma. This Amma there. If Malena, they do Pale, see, my Male, where can we call this place from Weef, My Male, do my papa, Now my Male, they sit on top of Papa now. Pale, Papa, they maintain. Now tell me, see my brain is correct. If the Male, but you see this Male, this Male would they do like this, so no action. I don't mean doctor, I need to do anything. In that kind of my Male again, like three. The position of 1 room, 2 room, 3. When I become king of this kingdom, that's how they carry. You see all the them, I go just go to settle. I go bring 1 Tozo. I go start.
You haven't told me what you said you wanted to discuss with me.
Oh, I remember that my friend Oluchi.
Oh, yes? The one that lives in Onisha.
Exactly.
What about her?
You know she now has a salon.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So
don't tell me you want to go to Onisha.
Exactly, Mama. See, I want to go and learn 1 or 2 things in her salon. Then also save up some money for us.
So who will I be staying here with?
I will always come back to see you, Mama.
Just that I don't want you to be far away from me.
Nothing will happen to me. I will always come back.
It's a good idea. It's a good idea.
Great priest of Ikoba, to what do I owe this visit again?
I have known you as a stubborn man. Do you really wish to die a stubborn man?
With great respect, great priest of Ikoba, I do not like the way you state this matter. Have I not been obedient enough?
It's not enough for you to go against the rule. You are not meant to have a son. That's the sacrifice you made to create Ikoba, for you to be a king.
But you told me this after I was already involved. Such a huge sacrifice should have been communicated to me before the beginning. Moreover, I got his mother pregnant before I made that sacrifice. And you know that I was not even aware I had a son until his mother brought him.
We are not concerned about all these explanations. You are not meant to have a son. Why must you allow a son in your home?
I don't get this, great priest of Ikoba. I don't get it. If Ikoba knew I wasn't supposed to have a son, he should have eliminated him before now. I mean, since he knew I was not supposed to have a son, why are you pestering me with all these intimidating visits now that there is a son?
You ask too many useless questions, and I'm not ready to provide answers to them now. Ikoba will not tolerate you any longer. You know what to do. Do it, and do it fast.
With due respect, great priest of Ikoba, I do not know what you want me to do.
Kill him!
What?
Ikoba has spoken.
Kill him? now that I already have a son? Impossible. He may not be the kind of decent son that I had wanted. At least it's better than nothing. Afosianka, Anyabo.
Male, may you crash tight. Male. No, you see, your sons are there like this, now maybe the only children where you get. You don't understand, Male? So now me, I go tell you now, say, I did for you today, tomorrow, next tomorrow, anytime I did for you, Male. Male, go sleep, no shaking. I love you, Male. I know they learn. Male, good night.
I don't say that you don't change this thing because only you resemble cartoon for this place. Now cartoon kingdom with it. This kingdom now be like the people they see they be like cartoon. I better change this thing back to the China wife in the wash.
My friend, shut the hell up and get out of here.
Huh? Now me they talk say I know they're ready for this big grammar way they speak. I know they're ready for them. Just turn the channel to my normal channel. You hear me?
Mr. Man, listen. I am not in the mood for your nonsense. Not now, not this evening. So understand that fact and stay the hell away from me.
Madam, say, just change this channel, I know there for the big grammar there. I know there for them. Just change the channel. We need to watch cartoon here. Change this thing.
My friend, get that from here. We say worry you. They walk you. Yeah, they warn you. Me day your lane, not cross my path. You don't like what I'll do you. I did tell you.
I better change this channel.
No, take. You change that.
Give.
No, don't. Go. Get that from. Get. Come on. See. They crazy.
I go bust your Bobby.
I
go bust your left Bobby and they tell you something. See you. Now you try me. Now you they try me. Woman when they bend down they piece so they touch you for leg. Yeah, even your kind of piece they touch you for laps. Now you come there they challenge me. Me Z the maximum. See I'm gonna tell you, don't worry. I never play my record for you. I go play for you. I go set trap for you. You go fall. You go fuck it, inside that trap.
Guy, wait. Isn't that what your name? Maximum. I don't tell you before now. Me go personally reduce it to minimum. You want try now?
Shit, see your cartoon face.
I'm not get her from here.
Shit. No what I go say that.
I watch it now. They watch.
You watch cartoon.
Worry foul. Worry foul. Now you be. You not fit do nothing.
Don't watch.
You not fit do nothing.
Don't watch.
Come on,
Watch. I'm see now. I'm getting TV over here. Now we talk to.
Chika, you cannot continue like this. Okay. You will not understand. Believe me, Chika, I understand. I understand what you're passing through. But the guy in question died mysteriously. Not that I'm happy about his death, but there is no other punishment to give to him. And according to the test you ran, you were not infected with any infection. So please, let it go. Move on.
I cannot, Oge. Tell me, how do I move on? When his memory keeps haunting me, how do I do that?
Trust me, I understand what you're passing through. But God knows why He allowed what happened to happen in the first place. So please, let's put everything behind us and move on, okay?
Please, my dear sister. God, why is all this happening to me? You know, this whole thing feels like he was waiting to define me and then die afterwards. I feel like he's holding his remains and set it ablaze.
You see, Tozo, Akwara, you see, this kind of thing, it don't happen for we. If it happen for street steady, you understand? It happen steady every time it happen. See, when somebody don't buy like this, very don't buy. You understand? The better not buy and come buy go. I never pay for F-ups them. You know understand? We if we here, we go dig that body now fall out. As we dig that body fall out, we go light her with a lighter. When we don't light her, the thing don't burn finish. If that body now can't reach heaven, the angel they waiting for heaven now, they go don't wash her. But if not for her now that body I can go reach her, they don't need to wash the body because we already light her with a lighter.
Shut up! Get out!
It don't burn.
Get out!
It don't burn finish.
Don't you know when it's time for jokes?
Tozo, at this one I want to just go dog the body right now. You don't understand? We'll go dog and lighter.
Okay, tell me
That's why I
to
come out.
right now. Just go.
No.
Get out!
My sisters, we'll go light the body.
Tell this boy to get out.
I go lead the
Get out!
We go dig. I go dig. You don't understand? I go dig. Tozo, I know. I go dig. I go lead.
Get out by mistake. Idiot!
Tozo, this thing hot. It hurts me.
Hot kill you there.
Tozo, this thing injury. Just give me like so.
That is my plan. And like I promised, everything will work smoothly.
We have heard of Your Majesty and we feel it is an important development. Yes. We are equally sure that our people of Ifitani will be so happy to hear that.
Oh, yes or no. And like you know, I'm a very busy person. So my son, Prince Zlatan, will handle it.
Excuse me, Your Majesty. What did you just say?
You heard me. Do you have a problem with what I just said?
Your Majesty, the young man you just introduced as the prince is new to us. And he doesn't know much about our land.
The more reason he will have the need to learn.
Not the project as big as this.
With due respect to Your Majesty, I don't think he can do it.
How do you mean? Ichoko?
Onyeze, what I am trying to say is this. There are chances that the prince will make a lot of mistakes.
How dare you, Ichoko?
Which kind of that? Huh? Which kind of that, Pale? Huh? What do you smoke? How you go talk that kind? How you go get that kind? How you go talk that thing? You smoke something? You drink peace? Huh? You drink horse peace? How you go here and say me I go make mistake? Huh? Pale, what did they worry this man go there?
Apologize to the prince now.
Apologize.
Sorry,
Now you bring this water.
I apologize, sir.
Now you bring this water.
Sorry, sir. Sorry, my prince.
Now your God now save you today.
It's okay, son. It's good you even came back now because you're supposed to be part of this meeting. So sit, find a place to sit.
Yes, Pale, you know you are correct there. You know, as the prince of the kingdom, I suppose they are shift. You short beans today.
So
I just can't believe that Ebuka is dead.
Same here. It's really strange. And the whole thing still haunts my sister.
I'm sorry about that. But do you think Ebuka was murdered?
By who? No, say it.
So what?
You wanted to say something, out with it.
Well, never mind.
No, baby, I mind. Please say it.
Do you think your father would have wanted Ebuka dead for what he did to your sister?
Excuse me. Wait. Are you in any way insinuating that my father murdered him?
No, that is not what I meant. I was just asking a question.
Dave! How could you? Is that the impression you've been having about my father? This is sick.
I never meant to offend you. Please forgive me.
David, why on earth would you think that my father is responsible for Ibuka's death?
I am sorry. Trust me, I am really sorry, and I withdraw my words. Forgive me, please.
Listen, David. My father may be mean, but he's certainly not a murderer.
What kind of a principle is that? Are we sure that he is truly his son?
Ishio Okonkwo, he is his son. Yes. The only problem is that he is a stark illiterate that never enrolled into any school at all.
You see what I mean? Oh no. Nani, how can he be in charge of the project? That means he practically knows nothing.
Who are we to challenge a decision made by the king? No, I am happy you were there. You witnessed what happened back there in the palace.
So, what do you think we should do, Onowu? What do you think? You have already confirmed that he's a stark illiterate. How can he be in charge of that big project? Oh no, there are things we cannot fold our hands and watch it happen.
Ishenzube, let us not appear as if we are challenging a decision made by the king. It is not good for the land. If he wants the young man to be in charge of the project, let us give them the benefit of the doubt. You and I know that along the line, as an illiterate, he is going to commit blunder, and then we are going to bumble him out. Throw him out. As an illiterate.
Relax. You have a point there.
Mind you, young man, I am still the king of this kingdom. What is the matter with you?
Open your eye. You see this eye, open up, you open up. Because you see this kingdom, now maybe the prince of this kingdom. Now maybe the future king of this Ama. You see this Ama? This Ama, this opportunity, this Ama waiting like this. Now maybe the next king of this Ama. I mean, you never still use your upper, you never still use your TV, you never still use your brain. You never still understand, say, my level for this place, in top your own.
Listen to me. I think you are crazy. You are just mad. Get it in your head. Mind yourself. What is wrong with yourself? Mind yourself. Respect yourself. And maintain your boundaries. Your father bought you a car. Do with it anyhow, any way you want. But please, stay away from my car. Don't touch my car again. This is your last warning.
Calm down. Elias, this is your last warning. When I never cheat on you, you see this Ama go prove this Ama. This Ama belongs to me. Ama be this. And nothing can happen. When I never even know what's up. You see this thing that will come, I don't show. High tension, everybody clear way. That's what they clear like this. I go to play like this. And I never cheat on, I never learn. I don't show maximum. Let me get the Ama. Nobody they pan, nothing they pan. As they here now, that's how those days. Cool. Don't they last? That's the next king future. Oh, friend, I'm gonna watch me. And I'm gonna watch me like home video. I'm gonna do things. Man, I don't red. Everything they red. Say they are not pure. Blame. Last. As I go through that, I fuck up, You say, this moral there, they can't fall in there.
It's okay, Zlatan, it's okay. I told you stop using that F word here. Royals don't speak in such language.
Pale, I didn't speak. You understand? Pale said, you don't do original for this place. See, if you want to do original as my guy, you understand, as a real person, you see, all this morning, they don't rush me like that. Pale, you go rise up. As you rise up, you go bust somebody head up, Pale. That's how they be. That's all. You don't understand? As the first son, as person that will be the future king now, you understand?